Mainit-init na chismis. Dari Pangilinan, tinanong kung nagtatago ba sila ni Bel Mariano. Ngumiti ng aktor, tapos sabi niya, not because you make your relationship private, doesn't mean you're not proud. And you don't need to show the world the life you have. You can still live without the others. We love in private and we live happier now.